Welcome class 5 in your e-learning classes, and we already completed amazing animals short answers. Even short answers 1, 2 we have completed 1, 2 and 3, and now we will write the fourth answer, short questions, fourth answer. Camel are adapted to the desert region. Some people take them to different cities, especially to those having sea beaches, for joyrides and entertainment, and earn money from them. What features help a camel to survive in desert? So the A question, at first we will write the question A and then we will write the answer. So the question 4, answer A. So the question A is, what features help a camel to survive in a desert? So camel stores fat in the hump camel stores fat in the hump and uses it as food when needed. Camel stores fat in the hump and uses it as food when it is needed. It has long legs. Which help it to keep its body away from the hot sand. Next one is, it has long eyelashes protect its eye from sand. As well as padded feet which do not sink in the sand. Okay, so the camel has these all kind of properties which help them to survive its life in the sand. What are they? Camel stores fat in the hump and uses it as a food when it is needed. It has long legs which help which help it to keep its body away from the hot sand. Another, it has long eyelashes which protect them from the sand. And the last one, it has good padded feet which never just sink or which do not sink inside the sand. So, these all features help a camel to survive in the desert. So, write down these features help camel. These features help a camel to survive in deserts. Okay. So, a camel stores fat in the hump and uses it as food when it is needed. It has long legs which help it to keep its body away from the hot sand, and it has long eyelashes protect its eye from the sand, as well as padded feet which do not sink in the sand. These features help a camel to survive in the desert. And the very next question is given here. What it is right to shift an animal from natural environment to other places. Why and why not? So, it is not right to shift a natural animal from its natural place, because, so I am just rubbing this question so that you can write the second answer. Okay, answer B. B is it is not right to shift animals from their natural surrounding. Because different animals, or you can say specific animals, because specific animals have specific adaptation, specific features, and adaptation to survive in a particular region. If if we take them in different habitat, it will be difficult for them to survive, and sometimes it become sometimes they may die. Okay, so this is the answer. And this is the answer, short answer. It is not right to shift animals from their natural surroundings because specific animals have specific features and adaptations to survive in a particular region. If we take them in different habitat, it will be difficult for them to survive, and sometimes they may die. Okay, so this is the second answer. And the last answer, why are zebra and tiger called camouflaging animal? So I'll write it down, and this will be the, again you see the answer. It is not right to shift animals from their natural surroundings because specific animals have specific features and adaptations to survive in a particular region. If we take them in different habitat, it will be difficult for them to survive. Okay, so it should be so you have to write this. And the next answer or the question 5, question 5 is given here. Why are zebra, tiger called camouflaging animal? So answer 5, why zebra and these tigers are called camouflaging animal. So why they are called camouflaging animal? They can merge themselves into the surrounding. Even the predators cannot identify them, hunters and poachers cannot identify. So these type of animal who can merge themselves into the surroundings, those are called camouflaging or the camouflaging animals. As the tiger and zebra both have that quality, that's why they are called camouflaging animal. Okay, now tiger and zebra can merge their body coverings with their surrounding. So these animals are called, these animals are called camouflaging animal. These animals are called camouflaging animals. Okay, tiger and zebra can merge their body coverings with their surroundings. So, these animals are called camouflaging animals. And that's all for the day. You just write all the short answers in your copy, and remaining long answers I will give you in the e-portal. From there you can write. And so, goodbye and have a nice day. Enjoy your time.